hope everybody's doing great. Today we're going to explore and experience about the sounds of E. Last week we also learned about sounds of E. But last week the sounds of E was produced by two E. The sounds of two E makes the sounds of E. This week we're going to explore and experience another sounds of E made by E and E. The sounds of E and E will produce E. E, T. O, E, leaf, leaf. B, E, B, beach, beach. Ooh, the beach looks so good. B, E, B, beam. R, E, read, read. Do you like to read? E, C, O, seal. B, E, B, bead, beads. Because there's so many bead, we put S the last word, so it sounds beads. E, P. E, P and ch. Peaches. A lot of peaches. Ear. Listen with our ear. He. Hear. Do you hear what I hear? Near. This boy is far from the tree. The girl is near to the tree. Fear is feeling afraid. Fear. Beard. This is the beard. Do you think your dad has beard? Sits. Another name of a chair, we call it sits. Hit. When there's too much hotness, we call it too heat. The heat is so high. Team. Working as a team is great. Clear. This is a clear sky. Speak. We like to speak all day. So that's all the words that we need to explore and experience. The sounds of E made from E and E. I hope you like it. Bye-bye. High five. Passionate K1. Let's explore the book. Today, we need to do page 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to guide you how to do page 6 first. E and E become E. Leaf. Bean. Read. Beach. Fill in the blanks with the correct words to complete each sentence. Pail, cup, leaf, tea, beach, bee. Look at the picture. There's a bee on the something. The blank is on the blank. Looking at the picture, we can see that there is the B, 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 B. Aha, this is B. We circle the words B and then we write down nicely. The B is on the, what is this? Yes, correct. It's a leaf. Leaf, leaf, leaf. Aha, this is leaf. We circle and then we write it down. E, leaf, leaf, leaf. Next, there's a pail on the beach. The blank is on the blank. The pail, is this a pail? Yes, you write circle pail and write down here. A pail. The pail is on the, where is this? Correct, it's a beach. Is this beach? Is this beach? Is this beach? Yes. Then you write down beach. 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 The pail is on the beach. The next one, this is a cup of tea. How to find out, how to write it down? Find the letters over here, find the words over here, and then you can write it down. Next, page 7. Rearrange and write the words, then color the pictures. What is this? A leaf. Very good. Usually, what's the color of a leaf? Green. Let's read. A leaf green. Something is not right. I think it's supposed to be a green leaf. So the arrangement is not good. We have to make it good. Let's start with a. And the next will be green. Green. And the next will be leaf. Like that. A green leaf. Remember to color the leaf with green. Next, a bean red. Something is not right. Yes, it's supposed to be a red bean. Then we write down a red bean. Ta-da! And after that, you can color the bean with colors red. Next, black seal O. It's supposed to be a black seal. You write it down, how to write down a black seal, and then you color the seal with colors black. This one, a beads pink string off. Supposed to be? Yeah, a string like this, string of pink beads. If it's not enough, you can keep on writing just like this. It's okay, I don't mind. Remember to color the beads with color pink. Can I read? Do you think it's a good sentence? We can start with I can read. Remember to color the picture. This time you can color the picture with any color that you want. Let's go to the next page. Read and tick the correct picture. Pam likes to read. Which one is the picture showing that Pam likes to read? Do you think this one showing Pam likes to read? No, this one Pam likes to sing. Is this a picture of Pam likes to read? Yes, and then we can put a tick over here. Next, the seal is on the beach. Which one is the picture of the seal on the beach? Is it this one or this one? You decide. Mr. P likes to eat peaches. Mr. P likes to eat peaches. Which one is the picture showing that Mr. P likes to eat peaches? Is this peaches or is it this one? You decide. Once you find out, remember to put a tick. I have a box of beads. Take a good look at the picture and find out which one is beads. Is it this one or this one? Once you find out, then you put a tick on the right pictures. And then that's it. That's how you can do your book. Once you're done, send me the picture to the Google Classroom. Bye-bye, Passionate K1. High five.